Hello and a warm welcome to everyone across the globe. We should be on the way very shortly. The players will be with us any time now. I'm Peter Drury, and it's my chance to say that it is an absolute delight to have Jim Beglin beside me.
Hi everyone, and thanks Peter. It's great to be on board.
Casemiro. Toni Kroos. And it's Luis Suarez. Now it's Neymar. Oh, and they really should have been made to pay. And it's been taken short. Messi cuts it back. It's a loose ball. Played out to the wing. Messi looking to get on the end of this. Daniel Carvajal. Pepe tries to get it forward quickly. Neymar. It's a throw in. Bale. Daniel Carvajal. Toni Kroos. Casemiro. Neymar.
There's a lot of movement going on. There's no shortage of options.
So I guess they're looking to play around their opponents as opposed to through them.
Yeah, the style is designed to dominate the ball, and so you dominate your opponents.
Rakitic plays it out to the wing. Now the pass. Neymar passes it through. Well played, he saw that coming. Another throw-in. Tries to cut back. Looking to shoot! The ball's come loose and the chase is on. Corner given. Messi plays it short, cuts it back. It was all about the quality of the delivery, and they come away with nothing. Bale going full steam ahead down the left flank. Bale, that's good intervention. Things could have got far worse than that. He is not one readily to admit defeat. Don't be surprised if he tries that again. Yes! Oh, high quality goal. Lovely first touch, sumptuous second. Big occasion, big goal, crucial lead. Iniesta. And it's Messi. Looks like a good ball through. Modric. Daniel Carvajal. Carvajal. And there's the end of the first half.
Well, they showed glimpses of some wonderful football to go in with the lead at half-time, and that's definitely pleased the fans. I think they'll be looking to keep this intensity up now in the second half.
Leading a cagey game here. It's had its... Well, that's surely a foul. Free kick. Towering header! No, not the best of headers.
Well, one moment there was a little bit of space, Peter, they could have worked with, but the next it was shut down, and it was shut down extremely well. Well, you can sense they're really going for it now. This is gung-ho, and only a goal will do for them.
And it's Toni Kroos. Modric. Bale. Now it's Casemiro. How about it? Oh, the ball's come loose! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
I think there's always that danger that the defence can get exploited in that way. That must have served as a real wake-up call to them.
He can get that clear.
Right place, right time. It was just as well the defender was on hand to mop it up.
Looks to slip it through. Oh, glorious footwork! Sergio Busquets plays it in. He's going to have to tune his rangefinder before the next one. Now it's Benzema. Piqué sticks in a foot to win it back. Toni Kroos with the ball through. It's Benzema! It's come loose. Forward it goes. Jordi Alba. It's pretty clear that he's being singled out.
Yeah, and what they've got to realise, Peter, is that they won't get away with excessive force for long, so they're running a fine line now.
Iniesta goes hurtling down that left-hand side. Casemiro. Out to the left it goes. Ball's out on the left now. He's taking on the lot of them. Chance.
Well, he's got to get his head up and see if any support has arrived.
Barcelona look as though they're about to make a change. Clears it out of harm's way. Barcelona, their final change.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
Pepe does well there, alert. The final 5 minutes. Just a few more moments for them to hang on. And that's a throw. Bale. Toni Kroos. Marcelo. Tries a through ball. Marcelo. And that's it. Terrific contest. It really might have tipped either way. The margins were tiny, just a goal in it, but that was enough. The